Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin by targeting the rows you will change. Click a row number to select one, drag across numbers for many, or press Ctrl plus A to grab the whole sheet. Once done, right-click a selected row header to reveal resize options. This is faster than ribbon hunting. Make sure to note whether rows contain wrapped text or merged cells because those affect height. Now that selection is set, you're ready to apply a specific height or auto-fit precisely. You will now change the row measurement. If you want exact control, choose row height and type a number. This sets points regardless of content. Conversely, double-click the row boundary to auto-fit so Excel expands to show wrapped text or images. If you prefer the ribbon, go Home, Format, then pick row height or auto-fit row height, useful when multiple non-contiguous rows are selected. Remember that auto-fit responds to current font and wrap settings, so change those first if results look off. Finish by verifying results across your sheet. Scroll and inspect for unexpected truncation or oversized gaps, because merged cells and manual locks often block auto-fit. If something goes wrong, unmerge cells or remove vertical alignment that forces odd spacing, then auto-fit again. You can also use clear formats to reset problem rows before applying a numeric height. Finally, make sure to protect the sheet if you need fixed heights. Otherwise, another user may undo your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.